Now, wouldn't you know it, I bought another helmet. Here it is. The Captain Rex Black Series helmet. I'm very excited to open this up. Alright, here it is. Oh, there it is. I am really happy with how this looks. I think it looks great. Alright, let's get the rangefinder on there and look at it in all its glory. Alright, so here's the rangefinder. Just looks like it just snaps on here. There it goes. And here it is. So yeah, I would say I'm very happy with how this looks. I think the weathering details look great. You can get a look at the like weld lines here. I think they look really cool. You can see it's definitely based off of the live action appearance in the Ahsoka series. And I'm totally cool with that. I think it looks great and it's a very good recreation of that helmet. Let's see. Oh yeah. The rangefinder can move down. It is adjustable on the inside. And it does have some electronics. I just need to put some batteries in it. Okay, so to put the batteries in, this panel on the back just pops right off. Then you gotta unscrew this other panel to put the batteries in. Okay, so the electronics is a voice changer, so we'll test it out, see how it sounds. Hello, test, test. Alright, so, you know, it's okay. So yeah, again, overall, I think it's a really great helmet. I think it looks great. I always like Hasbro's Black Series stuff. As you can see, I have several of them already. And I really like their Clone Trooper ones. I think the details on this look great. I'm really happy with it, and I would definitely recommend you pick it up. Now I just gotta make some room on the shelves.